Why? Why do you do it? Get up. Do you really think you're fighting for something? Something more than just survival. Can you even name it? Do you truly know? Is it freedom? Truth? A father's love? You would throw away your future, our future, for them. You must be able to see it. You must know it by now. You can't win. Fighting is meaningless. So why? Why do you persist? You come with weapon in hand and anger in your heart. How can you not see it? You will never be like them.
I am one of them!